Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Liv Bree, and today I have a unpackaging of a design team package from Diva Designs. If you guys are interested in any of the dies that I show, I will have an affiliate link down below for you guys to use. It is a free link for you to use, but I do earn a small commission from purchases made through the link. But like I said, it is also free to use. You're not forced to use it, but you can if you'd like. It does help my channel. But yeah, so let me go ahead and just get started. I want to try to get this video out before Mother's Day, and Mother's Day is already today. So happy Mother's Day to all the moms. It is 2:06 in the morning. We got home from Disneyland, and I thought I would get a Mother's Day video out. Normally I don't post on the weekends, but this just came, what is it, today? Yesterday. So I'm going to try and edit this before we go back to Disneyland. We're going to be going again tomorrow. So let's see what I got in this package. I'm really excited. Alright, okay, so I'm actually definitely wrong on that. This is actually a 3D umbrella, and you guys, this is going to be so fun to make, because it makes like a legit umbrella. Let me show you guys. This is an example on her website from another design team member, and how adorable is this umbrella? So I can't wait to use that. Since I'm doing the Parasol collection, I think it's going to turn out really cute. So I'm going to try to use the Parasol and then share with you guys how that looks. So there's the first die. And then there's this right here. Okay, so it's actually $2.21. It took me a minute to find the dies on her website to find out, hello, it's in the new arrival section. Didn't click, I think because it's so early. I had a long day. But anyway, so I got all the names, so we all know this is the umbrella. This is a golf cart die. Actually excited about this one. Can't wait to see what I could come up with on this. And then this one is a paperclip mini album, like a mini album. This measures, about 4 1/8 by 3 3/8. Yeah, it's a mini album. So that's again the paperclip mini album. If you guys want the names, I'll have them all listed down below. But it comes with this scalloped like doily flag shape, and then this is the part to make the album, and then you get some greenery and some bugs, and then I think these are like to decorate your mini album. And then I found out what this one was. This is a Ladybug tag. So these create like little ladybugs. I can't wait to see how these are going to turn out. And then these are the Sakura flowers that are actually not available right now. So that's what this die is. I'll probably cut out the beginning. But this is the Sakura flower. And right now it's not available, but I'll make sure to let you guys know when it is available. And this is the umbrella from her website. So this is for the handle, or like the pole part. This is the little handle. This is for the top of the umbrella. And these are all the pieces, like the layering, and then you need to cut this out a couple times. So that one. And then this is a diamond flower heart or card. It's called, oh sorry, diamond mini album. So this one is a diamond mini album, and it has this like very detailed layering piece, and then the back has a couple other layers to do different patterns or color cardstock, and then you even get this like plain diamond shape. So there's that one, and then this one I'm really excited for because you know me, packaging. So this one is called the Journal Page Pocket. I mean, not sorry, a Doily Handbag. So this one is the Doily Handbag. So it makes a little bag, and then you get some words that says treats, gifts, and gift. You have the option to cut out the little hearts in the corner on the layering piece, or you can keep it attached and always have it die cut. And then here has the little doily handle. And the way that I saw how this is made, it's actually really cute. But you can definitely do a bunch of things with this handle. You don't have to use it with this box. So I love the versatility of her dies, like I always say. And then this one is the pop-up card. And it comes with a cute paintbrush, paint roller, a wrench, there's a screwdriver, a hammer, and then some stitched hearts. And it comes with a layering piece, and I love that doily edge, just like the that other die I shared with you guys. This one, the mini album, the mini album. So that's what that looks like, and it's an envelope pop-up card. And then the last one is this one here, and this is the journal page pocket. And it's a really big die. It does come with an axe, a shovel, a couple of them, probably a different name for that, and then the like little picket fork thingy they use for gardening. I don't know. Don't ask me. And then a little label that you could use, and a bunch of other layering pieces and other shovels. But that is the design team package that I have received from Scrap Diva Designs. I was a guest designer, but I am now a permanent design team member for 2023. So I'm really excited that she asked me to be a permanent one. Thank you, Erica, so much for asking me to be a part of your team, because I am absolutely obsessed with your dies, and that was a definite yes, easy yes. Didn't have to ask me twice. So thank you so much, Erica. I can't wait to work with these dies, and I can't wait to share with you guys what I create with these dies. But I hope you guys have a great day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, and I hope that y'all have a wonderful and safe Mother's Day, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.